Welcome back, friends. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the application process for freelance audio transcribers at eScribe Transcription. If you have excellent listening skills, a keen eye for detail, and a passion for transcribing, then this opportunity is perfect for you. Let's go! eScribe Transcription Services is an Australian company that provides professional transcription and captioning services since 2004. They offer audio and video transcription and web video closed caption services. They have native English-speaking audio transcribers to perform their transcription services. The application process. Now, let's take a look at the application process itself. It's a simple 4-step process. Step 1. The first step is to visit eScribe Transcription's dedicated transcriptionist job page. I'll make sure to include the link in the video description for your convenience. Step 2. Once you're on the website, you'll see an overview of the transcriptionist job and what it entails. Take a few minutes to read through the details to ensure it aligns with your skills and interests. Transcription can be challenging but also incredibly rewarding if it's something you enjoy. Step 3. Fill out the application form with your name and email address, and click on the Submit button. Step 4. Keep an eye on your inbox because you'll receive an email inviting you to start the application process. How awesome is that? Just imagine, your transcription journey is about to take off. They may ask you to take a short test. But don't worry, it's nothing to stress about. This test is designed to assess your spelling, grammar, and comprehension skills. It's just a friendly way for eScribe Transcription to make sure you're a perfect fit for the role. Additionally, they might ask you to tackle a short transcription test. Remember, this is your chance to shine and showcase your skills. So, grab your headphones, get comfortable, and show them what you're made of. Wow, that's super easy. The application process is simple and straightforward. After you've completed the sample test, depending on the result, eScribe Transcription might require you to send your resume and any other supporting documents that showcase your experience in transcription, such as certifications or relevant training. So get ready for that. Make sure your documents are up to date, well organized, and in the requested file formats. This will help you present yourself as a professional and competent candidate. The pay rate. eScribe Transcription's home-based transcribers are paid by the recorded minute, starting at $1.60 per recorded minute. You can choose your own hours to complete each job, and you have 2 to 3 days for this. Urgent jobs will be negotiated with you. Ain't that sweet? There you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to the application process for freelance audio transcribers at eScribe Transcription. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We really appreciate it. Thanks, and see you on the next video.